Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on crop insurance with actual value. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Understanding crop insurance is essential for every farmer. The first step is to familiarize yourself with the concept of actual value. Actual value refers to the market value of your crops at the time of loss. Next, gather accurate records of your crop production. Document your yields, planting dates, and the types of crops grown. Then, consult your local USDA office for crop insurance options. Inquire about policies that offer coverage based on actual value. Compare these options with traditional insurance plans. Assess the premiums you'll have to pay for each plan. Choose a plan that aligns with your farm's financial situation. Now, it's time to calculate the potential payout. Estimate the market value of your crop based on historical prices. Make sure to factor in any anticipated price changes. Next, communicate with your insurance agent. Provide them with your records and market value estimates. Ask for assistance in selecting the most cost-effective policy. Afterward, complete the necessary paperwork for your chosen plan. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid issues when filing a claim. Review the policy terms and conditions thoroughly. Understand what is covered and any exclusions that may apply. Finally, continue monitoring market trends throughout the growing season. This will help you adjust your coverage as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively save on your crop insurance costs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.